course, first and foremost, it starts with the beat. You know, you gotta have a liking of the beat, and the beat should speak to you in some manner. So I listen to the beat, I listen to what the beat is saying, and then I just jump in accordingly. Like the song I just did with Nina, it had a lot of energy. You know, it felt vibrant, it felt youthful. And then once I got the title, was No Regrets, I knew exactly where to go with it. You know, talk about my experiences in the music industry and just experiences in life and not having any regrets. You know, being happy with all the decisions I made. And the fact that it got me right here is obvious that, you know, the decisions were the right decisions to make. Some people want to change little bits and pieces of things, but if you change one thing, it changes everything else after that. So you got to be mindful of that. And that's basically like my thought process in doing a song, is just listen to the beat first, see what it's telling you, and then you talk back. You know, it's a relationship. You guys got to get together. Nina B is just, she's dope, man. She's Brooklyn. She is the definition of an MC. Like, her energy, the way she attacks a record, the way she jumps on that stage, and just the way she carries herself. Even when she's not performing, she's always on. Like, I love Nina's energy. You know, her and Amber hit me up to do the joint, and that's fam. So whenever they call, I'm there. I was in the crib just chilling, laid back, and I remembered, I was like, damn, we got that session tonight. And you know, sometimes it's hard to like drag yourself out of bed, but for them, I do whatever. So I shot out here to the city, came to the studio, sat in that room back there, wrote the rap, and we got it done, you know. But anytime Nina calls, I'm there, man. That's the homie. And bigger than that, just like, she's a dope MC. So like, anytime a dope MC calls another MC to get on the song, we make that happen.
To do it over again, I wouldn't second guess, my love affair would depend. I wouldn't question now what I wasn't questioning then, cause I wouldn't have made it here if it wasn't for where I've been in the mags, I've been on the net, been better than most spitting since I've been on cassette. In my Benetton sweater, in the hat with the net, doing lunchroom battles, bring your cookies and jet. From a rookie to vet, how I grew on my set, probably missed a couple deals holding out for a check, but I'm worth what I'm worth, so I ain't breaking the sweat. Less I'm standing on stage, about the body to set. Tour busted a jet, blue Texas to Tibet. Left a couple spots wrecked, passport is correct. Might have missed a few covers when they covered the best, but overall when it's all over, I got no regrets.
I ain't got no regrets.